DNA is present in? So the correct answer is option C, mitochondria and chloroplast. And the second question is, which one of the following pairs is correctly matched with regard to codon and the amino acid coded by it? So the correct answer is option B, lysine. And the next question is, the treatment of snake bite by antivenom is an example of? So the correct answer is option B, artificially acquired passive immunity. And the next question is, the bacterium Pseudomonas aeruginosa is useful because of its ability to? So the correct answer is option B, decompose a variety of organic compounds. Pruning of plants promote branching because the auxiliary buds get sensitized to? So the correct answer is option D, indole acetic acid yani IAA. Plant organ which is covered by periderm and in which the stomata are absent, some gaseous exchange still take place through. So the correct answer is option D, lenticels. And the second question is, potato and sweet potatoes. So the correct answer is option B, have edible parts which are analogous organs. And the next question is, in urethrax meiosis take place in? So the correct answer is option C, zygote. And the next question is, women who consume the drug thalidomide for relief from vomiting during earlier month of pregnancy gives birth to children with? So the correct answer is option D, underdeveloped limbs, which is the first step in Southern blot technique. So the correct answer is option D, isolation of DNA from a nucleated cell such as the one from the scenes of crime. Minamata disease was caused due to the consumption of? So the correct answer is option B, fish contaminated with mercury. And the next question is, an example of gene therapy is? So the correct answer is option C, introduction of gene of adenosine deaminase in person suffering from combined immunodeficiency. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may be result in? So the correct answer is option C, death of fish due to lack of oxygen. Next question is, cattle fed with spollet hay of sweet clover which contains dicumarole. So the correct answer is option C, may suffer from vitamin K deficiency and prolonged bleeding. Nitrogen oxide produced from the emission of automobiles and power plants are the source of fine airborne particle which leads to? So the correct answer is option B, dry acid deposition. Serve acute respiratory syndrome. So इसका correct answer है option B, it is caused by a variant of common cold virus, that is coronavirus. So the next question is, unidirectional transmission of nerve impulse through nerve fiber is due to the fact that? So the correct answer is option D, neurotransmitters are released by the axon endings and not by the dendrites. So the next question is, the Great Barrier Reef along the east coast of Austria can be categorized as? So the correct answer is option C, ecosystem. And the next question is, the total number of nitrogenous bases in the human genome is estimated to be about? So the correct answer is option D, 3.1. One of the following is a pair of endangered species. So the correct answer is option D, hornbill and Indian aconite. Transformation, microparticles coated with DNA to be bombarded from gene gun are made up of? So the correct answer is option D, gold and tungsten. And next question is, which of the following part of brain constitute the brainstem? So the correct answer is option A, midbrain and hindbrain. One mineral activates the enzyme catalase and the other is constituent of the ring structure of chlorophyll. These minerals are respectively? So the correct answer is option A, iron and magnesium. And the next question is, depending upon the distance between two genes, which is inversely proportional to the strength of linkage, crossover will vary from? So the correct answer is option B, 0 to 50%. Question is, the innermost layer of the human eye is? So the correct answer is option D, retina. When domestic sewage mixes with river water? And the correct answer is option C, the increased microbial activity uses up dissolved oxygen. So the next question is, Cry2AB and Cry1AB produce toxin that control? So the correct answer is option A, cotton bollworms and corn borer respectively. And the next question is, an improved variety of transgenic basmati rice, and the correct answer is option B, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Which one of the following pair is wrongly matched? So the correct answer is option B, water hyacinth and runner. Which of the following representation shows the pyramid of number in forest ecosystem? So the correct answer is option D, that is C. Electron beam therapy is a kind of radiation therapy to treat? So the correct answer is option C, certain type of cancer. And the second question is which of the following is matching pair of drug and its category? So the correct answer is option A, amphetamine stimulant. And the next question is which one feature is common to leech, cockroach and scorpions? So the correct answer is option B, ventral nerve cord. Which one of the following categories of organism do not evolve oxygen during photosynthesis? So the correct answer is option B, photosynthetic bacteria. Baby has been born with a small tail. It is the case exhibiting. So the correct answer is option C, atavism. When kidney of a person is damaged, he or she invariably suffer from anemia because, and the correct answer is B, sufficient erythropoietin is not produced. And the next question is which one of the following is reptilian ancestor of birds? So the correct answer is C, Archaeopteryx. And the next question is which enzyme help in transfer of phosphate group from ATP to the carbohydrate? So the correct answer is C, phosphorylase. The checkpoint in the cell cycle plays important role in. So the correct answer is option C, assesses DNA damage. Our body is found in the cytoplasm during. So the correct answer is A, interphase in cell of female mammal. Plasmid vector in DNA recombinant technology means. So the correct answer is B, extra chromosomal autonomously replicated circular DNA. And the second question is which of the following pathogen is not transmitted by vector? So the correct answer is A, Salmonella typhi. And the other question is one of the following is not responsible for biodiversity loss. The correct answer is option C, ex situ conservation. Which organism is used to transfer tDNA? The correct answer is B, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Primary endosperm nucleus is formed by fusion of. The correct answer is C, two polar nuclei plus one male gamete nucleus. AIDS testing on normal individual is done by. So the correct answer is option C, that is identification of antibodies. And the next question is soma clonal variation appears in plants. So the correct answer is option C, that is raised in tissue culture. And the next question is in DNA fingerprinting the sequence which are matched are. So the correct answer is option A, that is mini satellite DNA. And the next question is animals of cold areas have shorter and smaller extremities. This is, so the correct answer is option A, that is Allen's law. And the last question is pregnant male serum gonadotropin is administered to. So the correct answer is option A, that is overcome sterility. So thank you, God bless you.